Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Friday Vibes Centonomy Campus Edition. My name is Esther.
And I am Mike.
Yes, and today we are going to talk about something that I think really applies to you because many of you are thinking about starting side hustles. You're thinking about your hobbies. How do I turn like my hobby into a side hustle and generate some money? So today's topic is how to make your hustle bankable, and Michael is going to help us with that. So tell us.
Thank you, Esther. Yes, so we're talking about a hustle, yeah? And the idea is to turn that hustle, side hustle, into a main hustle, yeah? And for you to do that, your hustle has to be bankable. What do I mean by bankable? Yeah? It has to be credible. Also, it has to be accepted by lending institution like a bank, a microfinance, a SACCO. Also, if you can also get consideration from investors, like people who want to buy into your business, or people who want to pump some cash into your business so that it can grow. Yes.
Initially, I thought bankable just means how to make money from your hustle. I actually hadn't understood that it's actually like being credible and all that. So, are there like certain steps that people need to take?
Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are steps, but for now, I'll just give guys a few tips on how you can make your hustle bankable. So, first and foremost, you have to have processes, and these processes, if it is good if you document them. What I mean by processes is, you see what happens before you make a sale or before you produce a good. That is the process, Like for example, if you have a shop that sells probably clothes, what is the process before you make the final sale? So it could be going out to like the market to source for the clothes, and then you have the exact market. Where is it? Who is it that you deal with? How do you deal with? Do you buy cash? Do you buy on credit? Those processes, they have to be documented so that even if you are not there, you the founder, the sole proprietor, like if it's your cousin or if it's your friend who steps in for you for like a week, they can know exactly what to do if you're not there. If you have these processes documented down.
Yes. So would you say that those processes like help you become credible?
Yes, first of all, they make you become credible, and they'll also make sure that your business continues even if you're not there. So that if someone else comes, they'll be like, oh, okay, there's this place I can go and see what happens. The processes, what I should do, so that the business can run.
So you talked about like being able to like get let's say loans by financial institutions.
Yes. So
are these processes required for you to do that?
Now, processes are good so that you build lots of structures in your hustle. But now, for you to get like financing, it is good to have documents. And documents are meaning things like receipts. If you make a purchase, like if you buy something, just make sure all these receipts you file them down. And also, if your business is if your hustle is a bit improved logo, and you have like invoices, stuff like that, just make sure all these things are in order, so that even when a bank comes and they ask, do you have any records? You see, the receipts will be records, the invoices will be records, and also it is also good to give probably one of your campus friends who is doing accounts. You can give him the job of doing your books, some little bookkeeping here. As in, these are just, even big companies, they have this profit and loss, all these income statements. It is good also for your hustle to have such like things, so that now it is bankable, it is credible. And also when a lending institution comes and sees, so this guy has receipts, has invoices, has all these records, so this is credible.
So I want to ask you a question, because in this day and age, the hustles might not be like the conventional idea. So let's say it's something like blogging, starting a YouTube channel, something like that, or maybe like social media influencer. So for those kinds of, let's say, non-conventional businesses, how do you think there's a way to make them bankable? Or
yes, it actually applies to everything. Think about it this way: if it is blogging, if it is blogging, you use your creativity to come up with content. Make that how you come up with content. Make it like a process. Yes, you see, make it a process, and then now document it and write it down. This is what I do to come up with content. Yes, and then this is how I shoot my videos. We get something like that, as in make it a process. And then also, for bloggers, they get some income from YouTube or something like that. And then also, if it's a camera you bought, just make sure you have down those receipts.
Yes.
If it's a lens, if it's the lights you bought, just make sure all those receipts you have them down. So that now this become like assets for your company, and make sure you have they're documented.
So that means like whatever you are doing it as if it's a business,
yes,
not just like even like a side hobby.
Yes.
Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I don't know whether you have any final words.
Yes, I actually had one more point here. Another thing you can do to make your hustle bankable is to have licenses and permits. Yes, so that now also the government recognizes you. Yes, and also as we talk about licenses and permits, it is also important to talk about taxes. All businesses have to pay taxes. Yeah, and right now the government has actually introduced a new tax. It's called the presumptive tax, which now it is now going to guys in the machinery, even mama mbogas, even guys in kiosks will now be paying tax. Yes, and now how this presumptive tax will happen is you pay like 15% of your license fee.
Oh,
yes.
Right.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be very important because also people are coming up with like many online shops, so that you don't even have a physical location. Yes. So that's the presumptive tax also applies to them.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, those are our views for today. If you have any comments or any ideas, you can just put them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys.